The Flamingo set provides a revolutionary system for the therapeutic challenges associated with buried bumper syndrome. The combination of a rotatable tube and a unique cutting wire design facilitates precise multi-dimensional cutting. This allows the retaining plate of the peg probe to be easily and safely cut free. The set contains the new Flamingo, a retrieval forceps for foreign body removal, and a guide wire. Cut through the peg tube, leaving between 3 and 5 centimeters of the tube protruding outside the patient. Now, insert the guide wire via the peg tube into the stomach. The lumen of the Flamingo can easily be inserted over the guide wire and into the stomach. Once the Flamingo is in place, the guide wire should be removed. Configure the settings shown on your diathermy machine and adjust the angle of the Flamingo until it locks into place at 180 degrees. You should clearly be able to feel it locking into place. Starting from the locked position, you should now cut the peg probe free in the shape of a star by withdrawing the tube and continuing to adjust the angle of the Flamingo. After each cut, gently manipulate the peg probe to check whether it can be removed prior to making a further cut. The Flamingo can be removed as soon as the probe has been cut free. Now, insert the forceps for foreign body removal into the stomach via the endoscope. Grasp the transparent ring of the retaining plate and remove the peg probe.